Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a PDF file in Google Docs step by step. First of all, open your Google Drive. Then insert PDF file. New file upload. Open your folder. See this PDF example. Upload it. Then refresh. See this PDF document. Then open with Google Docs. Then automatically open Google Docs. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.